Hello students. Today we will see some important points, mainly some applications of protein engineering, what you should be noted. Let's see. T4 lysozyme activity increase by application of disulfide bonds, that means S bond at a position of 246 position of amino acid. That means when you add disulfide bonds in the T4 lysozymes at the position of 246, they increase their activity, right? Next, a popular enzyme, xylarase, which is used in paper industry, its activity increase at high temperature. That means that enzymes xylarase gives the optimum rate of reactions at the higher temperature. So these enzymes need thermal stability. We can develop these features by introducing the disulfide bond at the positions of the enzymes amino acids 1, 2, 3 position. That means when we change amino acid position of 1, 2, 3, thermal stability features is developed. And the next one, by reducing the sulfahydryl groups, as because sometimes free sulfahydryl groups is responsible for decreasing the activity of the enzymes or proteins. In that case, we need to reduce the sulfahydryl groups for better activity of the enzymes or proteins. As an example, in human beta interferon, cysteine is replaced by serine to reduce the sulfahydryl group. So, by this change, human beta interferon gets a new features of for better activity. As we know, we can change a single amino acid of a protein by protein engineering. Let's see the example. Alpha-1 antitrypsin enzymes. These the enzymes which inhibit the activity of the elastage that damage the lung tissue. So, in alpha antitrypsins, methionine amino acid at the positions of 3, 5, 4 is replaced by vanillin, so its activity increase. That means when we change the methionine at the position of 3, 5, 4 with the vanillins, the activity of alpha-1 antitrypsin enzymes increase. Next, in the case of hirudins, hirudin is an anticoagulant, right? By replacing the asparaginase at a position of 47s with lysine, increase the potency of hirudin. That means hirudins give the better results after this change. Next, see how kinetic property of an enzymes increases. That means kinetics means rate of reaction. That means the rate of reaction of enzymes increases by protein engineering. Let's see. In sustalicin enzyme, which is very much popular in detergent industry, at the position of 2 positions, methionine amino acids when replaced by any other amino acids, it changes its kinetic property positively. That means rate of reaction or kinetic property increase. And the next one, tyrosine tRNA synthetase and enzymes obtained from Bacillus stereothermophilus. In these enzymes replace the threonines at the positions of 51 by anilines or prolines can increase the kinetics property of these enzymes. So that's all. Hope this video will help you. Thank you everyone.